a workflow that can enlarge images up to 8 or even 16 times using CCSR SUPIR and SD Upscale, allowing for maximum fidelity to the original image during enlargement. Then quickly go through the application, load an image, run through CCSR. In SUPIR, you can enter both positive and negative prompts. We can fill in the positive prompts based on the content of the image.
The core idea here is to make images clearer, not just enlarge them.
Moreover, this place uses an accelerated model. After SUPIR finished speaking, he entered the SD zoom-in section. The large model can select the appropriate style based on the image we want enlarged. If it's not an accelerated model, you can chain an accelerated LoRA lighting. Why must we use an accelerated model here? Since we aren't using an accelerated model, this process will become extremely time-consuming. Of course, you can also achieve higher quality without using an acceleration model. The positive prompt allows you to describe elements in the scene that you want to emphasize, such as adding metallic textures. I can also control the picture to some extent with it. The Superior and SD Zoom modules both use an accelerated model. If you really want to pursue a higher quality, you can increase both the step numbers and the CFG value and replace the accelerated DALI model with the standard one.
Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 HP. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow for the video. All AI applications that can be started with one click have been deployed online and are now available for online operation and testing.